In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product description in Jasper AI. We'll be using Jasper's product description template to turn a product name and a few key features into polished marketing copy in just a few clicks. This is a great option if you want to save time, improve consistency, or simply get a strong first draft that you can edit and personalize afterward. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to api.jasper.ai. Once the site loads, sign in if needed and wait for the Jasper dashboard to appear. This is where you'll find different templates and tools designed for specific writing tasks, so taking a moment to orient yourself here can make the process smoother. From the dashboard, select the product description template. This template is specifically built to help you generate clear, engaging copy for products, which makes it much easier than starting from a blank page. If you're working quickly, choosing the right template first helps ensure that the output is focused on the kind of writing you actually need. Next, type your product name into the appropriate input box and then enter the key features into the remaining field. Try to be specific and concise here. The quality of the result often depends on the clarity of the information you provide. For example, instead of using vague phrases, include useful details that describe what the product does, what makes it valuable, or who it's for. This helps Jasper create a description that sounds more accurate and relevant. After that, choose your preferred tone of voice. You might select something like friendly if you want the description to feel warm and approachable, or professional if you need it to sound more polished and business focused. The tone setting plays an important role because it shapes how the final message will sound to your audience. It's a simple choice, but it can make a big difference in the style of the result. Once everything is filled out, click Generate AI Content. Jasper will then create your product description based on the details you entered. Review the generated text carefully to make sure it matches your product and your brand style. When you're happy with it, copy the final text so you can paste it wherever you need, whether that's a website, product page, online store, or marketing document. That's it. With just a few simple inputs, you can create product descriptions much faster while still keeping them clear, useful, and audience friendly.